So last weekend, my dad decided to upgrade our technological ecosystem by buying a universal remote that, according to the box, could control anything with a power button. At first, it was just funny when our TV kept flipping to the weather channel every time he tried to pause Netflix, but things escalated when our neighbor's garage door started opening and closing like it was practicing for a synchronized swimming routine. Next thing I know, their TV is blaring Spanish soap operas at 3 a.m., and nobody in the neighborhood speaks Spanish. The weirdest part, though, was when their Roomba started showing up at our front door every evening, like a robotic stray cat looking for snacks. My dad claims he has no idea how it happened, but now the Roomba follows me all the way to the school bus and back. I guess you could say we've got a little too much remote control over our neighborhood. At this point, even the appliances are getting attached.